Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is kayeonyx. Today it is 65 degrees or 18 degrees Celsius, and today it is a beautiful day to get some fall nature photos with my zoom lens. So let's get started. There was just a blue jay, but it is gone now. Today you'll be able to see more of the changing colors of the leaves. I waited a couple of weeks so that you can actually see, things changing. It's so much rockier than usual, and there is a little rock here, and I like it, and it's amongst the leaves, A simple rock. Oh, that is nice. Up there, you can see the sky, and there's like a beautiful orangish yellow tree. I'm gonna get a photo of that. I have to change my battery. Okay. Okay. Then there's just a stratus cloud, creating a 45-degree angle here. So it's not just blue in the background. There's depth there. This is very pretty. Look at it. What is this? A nettle? So nice. Anyway, let's keep going. It's just an extremely quiet day. There's no wind, and so it's just very peaceful. Hello. Are you stopping because you would like... No? I see blue. I see blue berries. Not blueberries, but some type of berry that is blue. And these have not been here like a whole summer. These are just popping out now, which means they are exclusive to the fall. Pretty. Leave in the comments if you know the technical name of these animals. A ladybug. There was a lady in one of my ceramics classes, and she used to be a biology teacher, but she was going back to school, and she said that it was very insulting to call ladybugs ladybugs and not lady beetles. And she said they're not bugs, but they are beetles. So looks so different after the ground was covered in leaves and like everything is changing colors. I hope we don't get lost. Oh no, a little nestling of acorns here. And then I really like that leaf. It's very vibrant. it stands out. So I'm going to get a photo of that. And who are you? Hello. I don't know if that is an invasive species or not. And so I'm just going to leave them alone. But anyway, the acorn. Okay. And then this super, super vibrant leaf. There's some mushrooms over here actually. We're going backwards. So I can photograph these. Obviously during the summer they're super plush and plump, but now they're drying out because of the seasons change. And so, you know, I want to capture things in different stages of life. This is basically in a stage of death at this point. But oh, and look who it is. Honey. It is like a daddy long legs. But I know they're not technically spiders. Technically they're like a type of mosquito, I think. Mosquito something. To focus because I'm too close. Thank you. They have like a autumnal colored body as well because they're reddish. It's easier to fall because the ground is covered in the leaves, so you can't really see what's underneath sometimes. It's time to say goodbye. Okay. I can't hold them hostage for the whole video. Look how pretty it is. It's very nice. Sun is behind me. My Instagram, someone actually commented lichen under a post where I have this. So now I know it's called lichen. Yay. So follow me over on Instagram at kayeonyx. Yeah. I know what you're thinking. Why does it look like you're walking towards the overlook point if you basically never have found anything over there for this whole time. But since it's fall, the leaves on the trees should be more sparse, and so maybe we can actually see through them. If not, then we'll definitely be able to see things over the winter. But, you know, you won't find anything if you don't try. And so we're trying. I see some mushrooms in the stream, and it's just very pretty. On the log there. So I'm going to get a picture of that. I don't really like that one. Better angle. There's like a black seed in there as well. So I just got a photo of that. Dun dun dun. Someone doesn't want us to go back there. It might be a danger thing, but I say that we look carefully. So come on. We're breaking the law right now. Well, I see why they didn't want us to come here. It's too beautiful and gorgeous. I mean, look. You can actually see the whole horizon over here. But it was like a ribbon that like probably one of the hikers put in just for safety. But of course, always be careful. You know, it is illegal. Oh, I saw a duck. Who is that? Are they just seagulls or? I see some white birds. Oh, they are egrets. They're just very far away. So they looked so tiny. And they're just extremely peaceful. They might be sleeping right now. Because their heads are down and now they're up. I might have woken them up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So I think I woke them up actually because they were very peaceful. I think we're gonna head back and look on the other side. So let's do that. This over here is turning brown and golden. And so I just wanted to get a photo of it. I love that angle. It's really nice. I'm seeing some really great leaves with really cool designs. I can't show you every single leaf, but this one's very interesting. And then on the back, there's no red, it's only on the front, like. And I would like to encourage you guys to not throw away your leaves and to instead leave them in your yard and let them stay over the winter. But I know some people have HOAs, and so like it doesn't always work. Oh my god. Don't go far, please. I see, yes, I see like a yellow jacket. Right there. Ah, I found another ladybug. There's so many of them. All sorts of pollinators over here. Excuse me. Many yellow jackets. Wow, they're all over the tree. I could actually die. Yellow jacket and a ladybug. Do yellow jackets consume ladybugs? Oh my god. Do not. We're on the other side now, and there's something over here. Oh, there's a lot of things over here. Okay, I got one. Here, I will get this. So these things are turning brown now. Thank you, ma'am. There's a mockingbird there. Hello? What is this? And then leave in the comments if you know what this is. Oh my gosh. Bluejay. So pretty. When I get closer. Oh my gosh, it's so fast. It's getting worse. Okay. Are we going to die? This is where we came in. Okay, thank you. Excuse. My feet are still dry. Well, that concludes this nature photo vlog. I hope that you enjoyed. Please subscribe and watch the last one where I saw so many little frogs. It's a couple weeks later, and so they are brumating right now. Thank you.